So this is a very thin lotion, and if you want to thicken this up, we have some liquid polymers that can easily do that. So we have GelMaker EMU and we have GelMaker NAT. The inky name is slightly different, but the viscosity building is practically the same. We need high shear mixing to get the polymer really dispersed. You can increase the RPMs. I'm at 450 right now. It's already thickening. And it really depends on the viscosity that you're looking for. Add a little bit more, typically between 1 and 3% of the gel makers, and it will form a really nice thick cream. It's really thickening now, so I'm increasing the speed a little bit. We are at 500 RPMs. And we're going to stop in a moment and we can show you the viscosity. It's really nice and creamy, it's shiny, it looks very nice.